Have you copied this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, remember the laws of indices indices you learned in IGCSE. If you have a power m times a power n, you can add the powers, right? If it's a power m divided by a power n, you can subtract the powers. If it's a power m to the power n, you can multiply the powers. I want you to take note of them.
Yeah, I took note.
This topic is basically what you learned in IGCSE. You will never get any questions from this topic. Okay? So I'm gonna quickly skim through this topic. I want you to straight away go to write exercise 1A now. Exercise 1A. Exercise 1A, question number 3. You won't get these questions in your exam. These are all the baby sums actually, O-level math. But it will be a part of a bigger question. Okay, so you need to simplify your fraction. Let's say you have 6x power 4 plus 10x power 6 divided by 2x. You can split them first. 10x power 6 by 2x, and then 6 over 2 is 3. X power 4 divided by x power 1 is x power 4 minus 1. Here 10 over 2 is 5. X power 6 minus 1. Do you understand this?
Yes.
So it's 3x cube plus 5x power 5. I want you to copy this and try one question on your own. I want you to try C on your own.
Okay, sir.
So tell me, what's the answer you got here for C?
I'm still doing, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I got 1 over 2 x cube minus x x over minus 3.
X over minus 2. How did you get x over minus 2?
No, I got 1 over 2 x cube minus x negative 3, like above.
X, what do you mean by x negative 3? You mean x power negative 3?
Yeah.
How you got x power negative 3? Can you explain it to me? Okay, look at my slide. Look at my slide here.
Below the...
I'm on. Look at my slide here.
Yes.
Did you write 2x power 4 divided by 4x minus 4x square by 4x?
Yes.
Here you cancel, you will get 1 over 2 x power 4 minus 1. Here you cancel, minus x power 2 minus 1. So isn't it supposed to be minus x?
Yeah.
How you got 3?
I messed up with the...
Yeah, try one more. Try F now. First.
Okay.
These are all O-level math, man. Okay? Do not make mistakes here. So what's the answer you got?
This last step. I got 3x power 4
Okay.
minus 5 over 3x power 4 minus 5 over 3 x square.
X square, x power 3 minus 1, which is 5 over 3 x square. You are right. Okay. So you see, in this exercise there are a lot of questions here. Question number 1, 2 and 3, right? You can practice 1 or 2. Do not practice all these questions because these are all O-level math. Okay. Just practice 1 or 2 later. We are going to move on to topic 1.2. Write the title, expanding brackets. 1.2, expanding brackets. The expanding brackets is also O-level math. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go to exercise 1b now. Just write exercise 1b there. In exercise 1b, question number 1 and 2 all O-level math questions actually. Okay. But in the board exam sometime you will get these questions, not a separate question, it will be a part of a bigger question actually. You see something like this. When you have 3 brackets, Iman, how do you expand it, man?
First we'll like do 2 brackets.
Yes, and then the third one. So here take x and multiply both, you will get x square minus 4x. And then take minus 5 and multiply both, you will get minus 5x plus 20, correct? And then keep plus 20, minus into minus, correct? Keep the third one as it is. And then simplify this, you will get x square minus 9x plus 20 times x minus 3. Now open the bracket and multiply by the third one. Take x square, take x and multiply all 3. So you'll get x cube minus 9x square plus 20x. You have to be very careful about the sign, okay? Take negative 3 and multiply 3. You'll get negative 3x square plus 27x minus 60. Simplify the like terms. Can you copy this?
Okay, sir.
I want to see your working, so I want you to try a question, probably T, and send me your working. You can just take a picture and send it to me. Copy this first and then try T. Once finished, take a picture and send it to me, man.
I sent it to you.
Okay, 2x square minus 4x plus x minus 2, which is minus 3x minus 2, very good. So it's going to be 2x cube actually. You made a mistake actually. When you open the third bracket, right? Isn't it supposed to be 2x cube? Because you already have 2x square minus 3x minus 2 times x plus 1, right? When you multiply these two, you are supposed to get 2x cubed, not 2x square. When you multiply these two, it's minus 3x square, not minus 3x.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically the way you opened it, right? You are supposed to get 2x cubed plus 2x square minus 3x square minus 3x, that's correct. Minus 2x minus, rest all correct, only this term is wrong. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I want you to try one more. You shouldn't be making mistakes here. These are all O-level math. Try this one now.
Okay.
So here what would be the answer? 2x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2. Okay. You can just correct your mistake. Try you now. So if you open the first two brackets, you are supposed to get 6x square minus 2x plus 9x minus 3. Have you got this?
Yes.
Okay. And then simplify, you will get 6x square plus 7x minus 3, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. And then take 6x square, multiply both, you will get 6x cubed plus 12x square. Take 7x, multiply both, 7x squared plus 14x. Take negative 3, multiply both, negative 3x, negative 6x. Have you got this?
Yes, sir.
So you will get 6x cubed plus 19x square. 14 minus 3 is 11x minus 6. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to take one more question from the exercise. I'm going to solve it. I want you to pay attention. Have you copied this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The same exercise, question number 5. I don't want you to write the questions. Always write the question number only. Okay. Write exercise 1B, question number 5. You see, they want you to find, always, Ayman, you need to read the question word by word carefully. Okay, don't just look at the question and start solving it. Understand? Here it says, given that this is equal to this, so they want you to find the values of A, B, C, D. So basically you need to expand the bracket here. Okay, so I'm going to take the first two and open the bracket. I will get 6x square minus 2xy plus 15xy minus 5y square. Do you understand this step?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now I'm going to open the third bracket also. Probably we can simplify this because these two are like terms, right? So minus 2 plus 15 is 13xy minus 5y square. And then open the third bracket, you will get 6x cubed, sorry, not 6, 12x cubed plus 6x squared y. And then 26x squared y. See, when I take this and multiply these two, I'll get 26x squared y plus 13xy squared. And then I take the last term and multiply both. I'll get minus 10xy square minus 5y cubed. Do you understand this step?
I am unable to hear you. Yeah.
Okay, it's just a multiplication, Ayman. You see? What do you get when you multiply 6x square times 2x?
Yeah.
You get 12x cubed, right?
I can't hear you, sir.
You can't hear me?
Yeah.
Why? What happened? I think it's something from your
Yeah,
side.
now I can hear you.
Now you can hear me? Okay, what I was asking, do you understand this step?
Yes.
You understand how I open the bracket, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we need to simplify the like terms. You have 12x cubed, 6x square y, 26x square y, they are like terms. So it's going to be 32x squared y. And these two are like terms, so you will get 13 minus 10 is 3xy squared minus 5y cubed. Ayman, can you compare this with this and tell me what are the values of A, B, C, D?
A is 12.
Yep.
B is 32.
32.
C is 3. And D is minus 5.
Minus 5. Perfect. I want you to copy this.